Tired of staring at your Excel data feeling like you're lost in time? Well, buckle up, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to whip your dates into shape and sort them chronologically in Excel. First, open your Excel sheet and locate the column containing the dates you want to sort. Click and drag your mouse to select the entire range of dates, including the column header if you have one. This tells Excel exactly which data you want to organize. Next, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Sort button. It usually has an AZ icon with an arrow. Click on it. This opens the Sort dialog box. In the Sort dialog box, make sure the column drop-down menu displays the correct column header containing your dates. If your data has headers, ensure the My Data Has Headers checkbox is ticked. Now, under the Order section, you'll see two options: oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Choose oldest to newest if you want to sort your dates in ascending order. From the earliest to the latest date, select newest to oldest for descending order. For more complex sorting, you can even add additional levels to sort by other columns after the dates. Click the Add Level button. But for now, let's stick to sorting by date. Once you've chosen your desired order, click the OK button. Voila! Your dates are now sorted chronologically, making your data much easier to analyze and report on. If your dates didn't sort correctly, double-check their formatting. Excel needs to recognize them as dates. To do this, select the Date column, right-click, choose Format Cells, select Date from the category list, and pick a format that clearly represents the date. And there you have it. Now you can conquer your data, one date at a time.